Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. I woke up feeling like we got shit to do, we got things to handle. In today's video, I'm going to clean my whole entire apartment. Fingers crossed that I can make it through without getting fatigued. This has been long overdue. I was bedbound for about 2 weeks, so you can just imagine how my house is looking at the moment. Not how I like to keep my house, especially my floors. Can't stand to see dirt or anything on the floor, so that's really what I want to tackle. It's quiet as hell right now, which means no kids. This is the perfect opportunity because I don't have any distractions. Just focus on each room one by one. If you're watching this video, then I'm pretty sure you have some chores that you need to do in your house, and we're gonna do this together. One thing that has helped me along the way when I really don't feel like doing something is just to ask myself, does this really need to get done today? Is this really bothering me? You don't have to do everything today. Just pick the one room that really needs it and just cater to that room, and then there's always tomorrow. Don't beat yourself up on the things that you can't do all in one day because Rome wasn't built in a day. Over here, I have a shitload of laundry that needs to get done. Usually Sundays is laundry day, so I'm not worrying about that. I will have a washer and dryer at my next place. Spoken into existence. It's already handled. Here's just like my ring lights I have to put away. Majority of my mess right now is just coming from my dresser, honestly. It's just a whole bunch of hair products, lotions, just all the stuff that I use every single day. A little bit of pile of clothes right here, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have a little bit of mess right here. More hair products, my camera. Tackle this room. We're probably gonna head into the kitchen because, yeah, we're gonna probably do the kitchen, the bathroom, living room. Either way, we're gonna just work at our pace. But in order for me to really get inspired today, what really makes me want to clean is to get new cleaning products. I'm back from the stove. First things first.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
This took longer than I expected. That was a workout. I'm not even gonna lie. I thought that I had it in me, but I started to get tired halfway through, but I kept pushing. We got it done. I'm about to take a little rest, eat some breakfast, and then we're gonna work on the other rooms. My kitchen looks a whole hot mess. We got pots on here, food. Kitchen is complete. All I have to do is wait for those dishes to dry and then I'll put them away. Shells is working today. I had to take a break. I started losing fuel. We did the bedroom, we did the kitchen. I think I should have tackled the living room first. I feel like the living room was the worst part. Honestly, I feel like I did enough, but I'm gonna just try to tackle this living room because this is what my current situation is looking like in the living room. Nothing but toys. Justice literally has taken over the living room. It's not even a living room. I need more space. I wish that I had a playroom for him because he has so many freaking toys. This is exactly what happens when mom is sick. The house gets turned upside down. The energy that I had about an hour or two ago, it done came and left. I did a lot. I'm gonna find the energy in me. So I am finally done with the living room. Dun, da, da, da. Nice and clean. Of course it's temporary because once my baby gets home, he's just gonna ruin everything, but at least it's done. Super clean, super quiet, just the way I like it. Sweating, I'm greasy. I needed another shower. After all this work, I need a nice massage. Too bad I don't have nobody give me a massage, but we're not gonna talk about that. Last room is the bathroom, but I don't think that's gonna get done today because I'm just burnt out. I did enough for today. I don't wanna overdo it. I keep forgetting that I just had surgery. I think I'm gonna go out and get me some lunch. I have a taste for like a chicken Caesar salad. Like I said, tomorrow's another day, so I'll just tackle the bathroom. Bathroom's tiny anyway, so it's not gonna take me a long time, but this is pretty much it. I am burnt out. I'm burnt out. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna eat something and I'll probably just take it down and relax for the rest of the day. It's not even 1 o'clock yet. Got all my chores done, got a video film for you guys. Now I can take the rest of the day to do whatever I want because I completed my tasks. I hope if you had something to do today that you were able to do it, even if it's not cleaning up your house, even if it's handling business or getting your hair done, going to buy something, even if it's something that you need to handle that you've been procrastinating, try to get at least one of those things done because it really makes a difference in your mood. With that being said, I'm gonna close this video out right here. Love you guys so much. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. That's always gonna be down in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video.